I always get a lot of questions about problem set 2, number 1, and this is how it reads. Zoe is trying to decide how to divide her time between her job as a wedding photographer, paying $30 an hour. Everybody has a different number, I think, for that one, and you want to make note of that. Let me write in a way that's not going to ruin so much text. For as many hours as she chooses to work, and is a fossil collector in which her pay depends on both the price of fossils and the number of fossils she finds. Earning aside, she's indifferent between the two tasks. And then we have her productivity information here. And the key insight, well, the point of this problem is to see where the upward sloping firm supply curve comes from. And the key here is that Zoe, the logic here is that Zoe needs to earn at least $30 from collecting fossils if she's going to spend an hour collecting fossils, because she's got this opportunity cost of $30 an hour as a wedding photographer. And then in turn, her earnings from collecting fossils depend on the price of a fossil. And so this, we're looking at firm reservation prices. Zoe's the firm. How much is the lowest she could accept? So it's how much would the price of a fossil have to be to make at least $30 off a fossil. So price times quantity has to be greater than or equal to $30, and the key to understanding this quantity is that we're thinking about hour by hour by hour. This will be the marginal product, is the quantity she gets in 1 hour. So we notice we have this total product information. We first have to figure out what she gets each hour. So the first hour gets her 6, second hour gets her 5, 4, 3, 2. So we can manipulate this to be, this expression gets us to, we divide both sides by marginal product. The minimum price is equal to 30 divided by this marginal product. And so 30 divided by 6 is 5, 30 divided by 5 is 6, 30 divided by 4 is 750. 30 divided by 3 is 10, and divided by 2 is 15. So there we have it. For my numbers, each of you has a different number. And then you get this drop-down menu. This is Zoe's supply curve. So as always, once you see it, it's trivial, but seeing it in this problem can be a little bit of a challenge. And following that first example in the reading on competitive firm production functions, costs, and supply curves, that was a challenging way to start that chapter. I had to I think most students have to read that twice before that makes any sense.